Humans are one of the most interesting evolutionary stories, as the events that led up to our extreme intelligence are truly incredible. 10 million years ago, Old World monkeys inhabited the Rift Valley in Ethiopia, which was at the time a lush, flat forest land. Every 27,000 years, due to the sun, moon, and irregularities in the Earth's mass, our planet's orbital axis rotates in a circle in the sky. This combined with the tectonic plates pushing the area up into a mountainous range dried out the valley. This made it very difficult for the animals to survive. This struggle is believed to have prompted the evolution of a human-like species. I'm here in the Rift Valley to look at some hominid skeletons. The oldest skeleton belonging to the hominids is Ardipithecus ramideus, and she lived 4.4 million years ago. Nicknamed Ardi, she was one of the first species ever to become bipedal, or walk on 2 feet. Her hips were structured in such a way that she could walk upright while still having opposable big toes for quadrupedal or 4-legged movement for climbing trees. The second skeleton that we have is the Lucy skeleton, a 3.2 million year old Australopithecus afarensis. We can tell that she was bipedal as her hip bones were very similar to modern humans. She had a short, wide iliac bone, correctly placed muscles, and a wide sacrum behind the hip joint. These are all signs of a relatively well-developed bipedal species. This is the skull of a Homo neanderthalensis, or as commonly known, a Neanderthal. And they are possibly smarter than we previously thought. In some of their caves in France, we have discovered chunks of a chemical called manganese dioxide with large scrape marks carved into them. The only conclusion that scientists can come to is that these Neanderthals used this chemical powder to rub onto wood to reduce the ignition temperature of wood from 350 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius to try and make fire. Possibly one of the most important milestones that our species has made to get to this stage was the discovery of farming. Around 23,000 years ago, we think that we made the revolutionary discovery. Morphological signs of harvesting tools are being researched in weeds. The evidence was found. On a large portion of seeds extracted, there were scar marks indicating that they were being grown in a field and also harvested with a sickle-type tool like this one. There was also a discovered grinding stone with cereal starch granules embedded within it. With all of the knowledge we still have, there is one question that still evades us. How a heap of carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen became self-aware and was able to ponder about how it came to be. This is the marvel of life.